ECDL Advanced, Excel, Lesson 86, Assigning a macro to the Quick Access Toolbar. Macros can be added to buttons and placed on the Quick Access Toolbar in any position. The Quick Access Toolbar is situated at the top left of the screen, that's over here. Okay, let's open the workbook Hockey, which I have on the screen now. Click the File tab, then Options, select Quick Access Toolbar. In the Choose Commands section, select Macros. Click on the Casual macro and then click the Add button. This macro will change the font, color and italic settings for the selected range. The default button is displayed with the macro name. Click the Modify button, and from here a different symbol and a different display name can be selected if required. Let's click OK to leave the symbol and the name unchanged, and then press OK. As an aside, the Quick Access Toolbar section can be opened by using the drop-down arrow at the right end of the Quick Access Toolbar, that's here, and selecting More Commands. Let's go back to Macros. If we select Casual, we can change its position in the list by using the up and down arrows on the right. If we move the Casual macro up 2 places and then click OK, the macro has now been placed on the Quick Access Toolbar, as can be seen over here. Let's test the macro by selecting the range B4 to I8 and then clicking on the Casual macro button. As can be seen, the cells have now been reformatted. Without closing the Hockey workbook, now please open the workbook Staff. If we select the range G4 to H22 and then click the Casual macro button on the Quick Access Toolbar, this range will now be reformatted. Now the macro runs here because Hockey is still open. Excel will always try, if possible, to open the worksheet containing the macro. When assigning macros to the Quick Access Toolbar, it's better practice to use only macros that are stored in the Personal Macro Workbook. But this is beyond what we're going to be learning in this module. To remove the button from the Quick Access Toolbar, right-click on the unwanted button and select Remove from Quick Access Toolbar. Alternatively, what we could have done to achieve that is to display the Quick Access Toolbar section of the Excel Options dialog box, select the macro entry Casual, and then click Remove. OK, let's close all the open workbooks without saving, and this is the end of this section where we've discussed macros. Your job now is Lesson 87, which is the revision exercise. I hope you do well on that, and I look forward to seeing you next time when we're going to start Section 18, which will be on the topic of auditing. OK, I look forward to seeing you then.